Homemade anchovy ramen. Here are the ingredients for 2 servings. Anchovy 10 grams. Sardine preparation. Remove the head and the stomach. Heat on a pan to remove the smell. Kombu seaweed 5 grams, dried bonito flakes 5 grams, anchovy, water 1 liter. Soak Kombu dried bonito flakes and sardine in 1 liter of water overnight. Chicken stock preparation. Chicken stock. Soak in water for an hour and remove blood. Once all the blood is removed, remove the intestines under the rib cage. Cook in boiling water and remove foam. 30 seconds to 1 minute. Pork shoulder, Char-siu. Tie the pork legs with a string. Cook in boiling water to concentrate umami. 1 minute. Green part of green onion, 2 to 3. Ginger and garlic, 1 clove each. Slice the ginger. Peel the garlic. Add clean water in a pot and add pork. The green part of the green onion, ginger garlic, and 100 milliliters of sake. Simmer on low heat for an hour and a half. We will use the cooked water for soup. Sake 100 milliliter. Do not let the water boil because it will harden the char-siu. Leave it with large and slow bubbles. Boil egg. 2 eggs. Cook egg in boiling water for 6.5 minutes. Quickly cook in cold water. Peel. Soy sauce, 150 milliliters. Sake. Make simmered soy sauce and make sauce with char-siu. Simmered soy sauce. Add a little bit of sake in 150 milliliter soy sauce. Heat and remove from heat right before it starts boiling. Put the cooked char-siu in a Ziploc bag or a container and pour in the soy sauce. Marinate egg inside as well. Marinate overnight. The marinated soy sauce will be the sauce for the ramen. Noodles. Cake flour 125 grams. Bread flour 125 grams. Baking soda 1 teaspoon. Salt. Water 150 milliliters. Mix all of the ingredients together. Knead until the dough is smooth. Cut in half and spread with a rolling pin. Use a pasta machine to make it 1 to 2 milliliters thin. Sprinkle starch on both sides. Cut using a pasta machine. Sprinkle starch again. Chicken oil. Chicken skin 1. Without spreading oil on a pan, grill chicken skin until there's oil. Strain the oil. Ramen soup. In the soup you cook char-siu in, add the chicken stock, green part of the onion, ginger and garlic. Simmer. As you remove foam, add in stock to compensate for the evaporated amount. Simmer for 5 to 8 hours. 30 minutes before finishing, add in the sardine, kombu, and dried bonito used earlier. Do not overcook the kombu, sardine, and bonito more than 30 minutes as it will gain bitterness. Strain the soup. Once there are about 1 liter of soup, it is ready. Half a green onion. Cut the topping ingredients. Cut the green onions in 5 centimeter length. Add a slit in the center. Cut the white portion thin. Less in water for 10 minutes. Mizuna. Cut the Mizuna in 5 centimeters. Cut the char-siu and egg. Add 5 milliliters of chicken oil, 30 milliliters of sauce, and 400 milliliters of soup. Mizuna, Char-siu, flavored egg, green onion, seaweed. Again, here are the ingredients for 2 servings.